Hi, I'm ReAnn Gonzalez with Edge Home Finance, and today we are going to talk about how to rebuild your credit after a bankruptcy so you can buy a home. Before we get into it, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button below. Okay, so now let's get into it. As time passes, the bankruptcy hurts your credit less and less. Once you're out from under all those financial burdens and you have a clean slate, it's important to start working or rebuilding your credit for your future. Let's go over a couple of credit tips to help you rebuild your credit. The first one is check your credit report. Accounts that were included in your bankruptcy should be reporting zero balances and state that they are discharged through a bankruptcy. You may need to request for some cleanup or corrections on your credit report. Make sure to continue to monitor your credit to stay on top of any red flags or inaccuracies. And the second tip is begin reestablishing credit. If you're having a hard time opening traditional credit cards, apply for several secured credit cards, as credit cards are key to rebuilding your credit. And the third tip is practice responsible credit habits. Pay all your accounts on time and keep your credit card balances at 30% or less. And the fourth tip is consider getting a credit builder loan or a secured installment loan to help show you can be responsible with different account types. Tip number 5, ask a close family member to add you as an authorized user to a couple of credit cards with low balances and a great history. And lastly, tip number 6, be patient. It takes time to rebuild your credit, but if you follow these steps, you are off to a great start. After about 2 years, a bankruptcy no longer impacts the scores, meaning you'll start to see the scores increasing if you work on rebuilding your credit and exhibit healthy borrowing habits. One of the things I unfortunately see sometimes is a potential client who had a previous bankruptcy and then reestablishes credit, only to have 30, 60, or 90-day late. This is a major no-no and can really hurt your ability to buy a home. As a creditor, we expect that after going through a bankruptcy, you have learned your lesson and will be responsible going forward. Now, let's have a quick look at how long you have to wait to purchase a home under the standard mortgage guidelines. Conventional loans, if you have a Chapter 7 or 11, requires a 4-year waiting period. Chapter 13 is 2 years from discharge or 4 years from dismissal date. FHA loans, Chapter 7 or 11 requires a 2-year waiting period, and Chapter 13 is 1 year or 12 monthly payments to the bankruptcy court and permission from the court to purchase a home. On a VA loan, Chapters 7, 11, and 13 are all a 2-year waiting period. USDA loans, Chapter 7 or 11 requires a 3-year waiting period, and Chapter 13 is 1 year with 12 monthly on-time payments and permission from the court to purchase a home. There are other non-qualified mortgages where you can purchase a home sooner, but these will require a large down payment and the interest rates will be quite a bit higher. I hope you found this information helpful. If you know of anyone who could use some credit advice or have questions about mortgages, please share my YouTube channel with them, as my goal is to help as many people as I can achieve the American dream of homeownership, and credit is a major part. Lastly, if you have any questions and want to chat about your situation, please feel free to reach out to me at 915-478-1157 or apply at my link listed below. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.